So basically what's happening today is, or yesterday was, I did a bunch of spring cleaning and it was so bad, you guys. The desk was not a functioning space. This is the floor. There were clothes about this high from here to my dresser, but now all that footage is gone. So I also am doing an unpackaging video today from Shein because I feel like that makes up for the loss of the other footage. I hope you enjoy. This is a work in progress for me. It's also a learning experience. Improvements are coming every single day. I now have an intro and transition screens. Like, I'm learning literally every single day. So bear with me. See the growth. Grow with me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's enough of that. And we're just gonna continue with the video. Love you. Close, close, close. So I got one package, one package. So we're gonna open it. Perfecto. Okay. I think this is from Apple. It's from Shein. Okay, wait. So many makeup brushes. More socks.
Socks.
Guys, I really needed socks. Like I told you in the first video, I wasn't playing. I have never had a purse in my entire life. Like I have, but I've never used them. So I've never really had a bag for like going out. Like I have my little leather bag, you can't really see it, but not like a handbag, you know what I'm saying? Guys, it's a set. It's a handbag and other bags, I think. Maybe it's just a handbag. Wait guys, I think it's just a handbag. No, it's not just a handbag. Whoa. Okay, what is this? So we have a wallet that looks already broken. Hold on. It's not broken. Whoa, look at this. So here's my little wallet. Guys, I don't know. Oh my god, look, this little clutch thing. Bag. Looks like it needs a strap, which is inside. Wait, this is so cute. I know my other haul video was incredibly and ridiculously long, but it's a learning process, so just bear with me. You're also going to hear bear stuff in the background, so just bear with me on that too. Wow, look at this. Hey guys. Wait, this is so cute. Like, not with this, obviously, but... Oh! I like it. And then there's this big bad boy. Wait, what is this? Oh my god, it came with a little thing. Wait, what the fuck? That's so cute. Wait, this is perfect. Wait, can you put... You can put cards in here. Except they definitely look like they could fall out, but... We're gonna not pay attention to that. Does it even close? Can I even close this? Little thing. Wait, what? Okay. Hold on. Guys, this is the cutest bag. Ooh. Wow. This is so cool. Look, I have all these bags. Ah, and they all match. I'm in love. Okay, wow. I'm happy, guys. I ordered this thing because Lord already knows. Oh. I needed a resistance band to work out. Let's try it, guys. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna get ripped. My butt is gonna be bigger than Nicki Minaj's. Socks, socks, socks. Like, I'm not joking when I say I needed socks. The pair that I'm wearing now, I found one of these socks yesterday when I was doing spring cleaning, and I had literally 2 other pairs that matched and didn't have holes. That's not cool. This is just a bunch of brushes that I got from Shein. Should we open? Oh my god. Okay, so we got a spoolie. Guys, this looks pretty good. Oh, it feels nice. Spoolie. I don't know what a small thin brush like that would do for you, but I'm not a makeup guru. So one of them's missing packaging. We have a little highlight brush. Oh, she feels soft. You can see how soft she is. Okay, that's all I have. Just a shit ton of socks, brushes, and purses, and bags. How could we forget? Okay, cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Bye, guys.